Okay guys, little update what's going on. So the 56 Chevy, this used to be a 4-door. It's converted now to a 2-door post. This is heading over right now. We're just waiting on my tow guy, Richard from Churchill Towing. If you're out here in Chilliwack, that's the guy to see. He's going to be towing this over to our paint booth. So we're getting her all ready to go. As you can see, he's gone with a sunburst orange. Beautiful color, not factory. Then he's done the Wimbledon white up on the, the Indy Ivory, sorry, the Indy Ivory white on there. So she's all ready to go. Sean's got his bodywork all finished off. Looks marvelous, as it always does. Guy's running a little 327 in here. Automatic transmission tucked in behind it. Obviously the stock 56 Chevy rear diff, and he's put disc brake conversion kit on the front. Now over here we've got you saw this in a past video I believe, we got a 58 Chevy Apache. This is a big old 3-ton. What we're doing here is this guy converts these trucks into pizza ovens and to smokehouses and all that. So he got hold of us and asked if we'd be interested in doing some of this work for him. So we're doing this 58 Chevy. This is a cab. We took it off the original frame. We're going to be putting it on I can't remember what year, but in the 90s with a diesel in it. So we're going to be fabricating that all up. So I'm just waiting on the patch panels to show up for this vehicle. Typical cab corners, inner and outer, door sills it needs. We're waiting on these panels. Once these panels arrive, I'm going to get this thing up in the shop, up on the hoist, and I'm going to do all the patchwork on it, the metal work, and then before any body work, then we'll start bringing the frame over here. The customer's just holding onto the frame right now to keep it out of the way, and then we'll bring the frame over, then we'll start cutting and fitting and fabricating what we need to do there before we actually get involved in the body work of this vehicle. And now here, we have a 75 Duster showed up. Guy bought this, kind of a dream thing for him to have. So it's a pretty solid car, needs a little bit of floor work and quarter panels near the rear, but we're going to get it up and running for now because it's not running. We're going to see how it runs, deal with that situation, and then once we get the running all straightened out and go through the brakes and suspension, then he can decide what he wants to do with the body paint and interior. As I always say, the most important thing is go through your running gear first. So many people don't. Everybody nowadays is so concerned about paint and interior, and yet then the running gear is just shit. What good is a car that looks nice if you can't drive it? That's my way of looking at it. So that's what's going on there. And then this was a truck I built several years ago, probably 5 or 6 years ago. 42 Dodge pickup also. He won several awards with it. Anyway, he broke an engine mount, took the front nose off it, brought it into us because he's got a couple rock chips on it. So he said, hey, while I got the nose off, can you fix the rock chips? So we're actually going to be blowing this front end apart, unbolting it all. We're going to be going through it all and touching up all the rock chips, repainting everything. It's going to get all repainted. So that's what's here now. So there's what's going on right now. So hey, it's always a good time at old time. I can hear my tow truck guys just around the corner, so I got to get going. So big thumbs up and thanks for watching.